Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Into this video today, I will show you how to fix unofficial WhatsApp when you try to log in. Note that this video is for educational purpose only. So let's try and see step by step to make it clear to you. Enter your WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business, depends on your phone, as you can see. I have enter WhatsApp Business. Note normally WhatsApp Business it shows. You need to download Unofficial WhatsApp. So here how to fix this. Click on I agree and continue, select your country and enter your number. When you enter your number, click on continue, so it will show you this note. If you get this note, don't be upset. Here how to fix it. As you can see, they said you need unofficial WhatsApp to log in and you don't need to click on download app. Just click on the go to the website. It will take you to the website directly when you reach there. At the top left corner, click on the 3-line and click Help Center. When you reach the Help Center, scroll down and select Contact Us. Then by now, click on Contact Support. At the end of the line, you see Contact Us. Then click on it. When it is opened, choose your country, then enter your number, then go to the next. Enter your mail to receive the confirmation. The next option is to confirm your email, and the last option is to describe your problem. You can describe your problem like that. I'm sure 100% will fix it for you. You can check the description to get the appeal note. Then click on Next and click Send Question. After submitting your question, you should wait for their response. And that is it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it to your friends.